Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24A. Understanding economic fluctuations, a macroeconomic perspective. Macroeconomic perspective, economic fluctuation, characterized by periodic and irregular swings in economic activity, are a fundamental aspect of microeconomics. This fluctuation, which impact business, individuals, and policy, require a deep understanding of economy-wide phenomena. In this presentation, we explore the key indicator, cause, impacts, and management strategies associated with economic fluctuation. Key indicators of economic fluctuations: gross domestic product (GDP) measures the total output of a country's economy, providing insight into overall economic health. In 2023, the US GDP growth was 2,5%. Unemployment rate indicates the percentage of jobless workers actively seeking employment. The US unemployment rate was 3.7% in August 2023. Inflation rate reflects the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is reaching. The US inflation rate was 3.7% in August 2023. Consumer Confidence Index judges household optimism regarding the economy, influencing spending and investment decisions. The University of Michigan CCI was 695 in August 2023. Cause of economic fluctuation. 1. Consumer spending change. Consumer spending accounts for 68% of US GDP, making it a significant driver of economic activity. 2. Investment fluctuation. Business investment rapid 1% in Q2 2023, reflecting uncertainty or changes in business sentiment. 3. Government spending policies. U.S. government spending amounted to
$1.6 trillion in 2023, influencing aggregate demand and economic growth. For global trade dynamics, the U.S. trade deficit was $65 billion in 2022, indicating the impact of international trade on the domestic economy. Impact of economic fluctuations. 1. Business. Small business profit margin declines 20% during recessions. Capital expenditures decreases by 15% in 2008 2009. 84 million jobs lost during the Great Recession. 2. Individuals. Unemployment peaked to 10% during 2008 crisis. Median household income fell by 8% during the Great Recession. Household net worth declines by $19 trillion in 2008. Government policies to manage fluctuation. Fiscal policy. Government spending exemplified by the $831 billion stimulus package aims to boost demand. Taxation policies, such as tax cuts, can increase disposable income, potentially boosting GDP by 2%. Monetary policy, interest rate adjustments like the Fed cutting rates to near zero in 2008 influenced borrowing costs. Money supply management through quantitative easing increased the money supply by $4 trillion. Regulatory interventions. Financial regulation, such as the Dodd-Frank Act, aims to prevent future crises by overseeing financial institutions. Labor market policies, including unemployment benefits, assisted 6 million during the pandemic. Forecasting economic fluctuation. Economic models, leading economic indicators like the AI are used to predict trends. Expert opinions, economics forecasts like the from consensus economics method. Challenge in forecasting. Unpredictable events like COVID-19 limit accuracy. Forecasting economic situation involves using economic models such as leading economic indicators and econometrics models, along with expert opinion from economists and surveys. Challenge in forecasting include unpredictable events like big swing events, data limitation, and model inaccuracies which can affect the reliability of prediction. Economic fluctuation in a global context. 1. Interconnectedness. Global trade linkage account for 40% of world GDP. Daily FX turnover is $6 trillion. 2. International organizations. The IMF provides financial assistance to member countries. The World Bank supports development projects worldwide. 3. Case studies. The Asian financial crisis, global financial crisis, and European debt crisis illustrate global interdependence. Conclusion. Inherent nature. Economic fluctuations are inherent to market economics. Understanding indicators and cause. Understanding key indicators and cause is crucial for effective analysis. Government policy. Government policies can help mitigate negative impacts. Forecasting challenge. Effective forecasting remains a significant challenge.